Hi guys, RC Nut Tiffany here, and I got this car. I've already started on the body, got it all my vinyl cut out and set up so I can put a cool paint job on this bug. We got the Tamiya Volkswagen Beetle Rally. So, didn't understand that these cars come in a giant kit with a bazillion little plastic pieces. And they just keep on coming. And there's more. And more. This actually comes with the servo. And some more plastic parts. The tires. And motor and glue and gears and more plastic and all the screws and springs in there. And the giant manual. And the antenna. So, gonna start putting this together. Putting the batteries in.
Don't try it this way. I don't have the plugs. BAM! Did I scare you?
Yes. Because that was loud.
The controller? How do you turn it on?
The switch. You pull those on and you put a pin in it.
Good thing this battery fits.
Yeah.
Where'd the pin go?
Vertical.
Okay, here we go. See if it turns on. There it goes. Okay, so first off, I can tell you, this is wrong.
What's wrong? My wheels
are wrong.
What did I do wrong?
I don't know. You didn't make these the same length?
Oh, probably not, because that was like the most difficult thing on earth.
And that's reversed. So steering, let's go to reversed. Now it's right.
Tighten some.
Fast.
What'd you do?
I didn't do it. You don't hook something together right, because on the ground it goes. There it doesn't. Something isn't adjusted right inside of there.
Yeah. Well,
Wow, that suspension feels wonderful. For what it is, that's incredibly good.
Your
All
battery
right.
can just bang on the ground.
So, yeah, but it's a hard case.
Yeah,
That's
so
why
you just
use a
take
hard
off
case.
this tiny little cover right there, this thing, and then you can see your gear mesh, and then these are to adjust them.
Okay.
The pinion was the only thing to adjust, and it had this pinion saver that you put on it, and then you put the pinion at the very end, and then tighten it down. But all the other gears just slid on, and you put a screw in it. Or
You probably
didn't
didn't tighten one down far enough.
Yeah, there's a couple gears up here and a bunch of gears back there. Got my pretty paint job. Gotta put all the stickers. Cover up all the runs. Color runs. Yes, you see that? The holes were not drilled right. They're a little too snug. They go in. They're just gotta push.
The back, this side, you have adjusted higher.
Oh. They looked the same, but apparently not.
Maybe they are.
Good morning.
Check it out, dude. The battery's wire sticking out right there. It really, this battery, I'm gonna have some.
I get you.
Do you need like 50 body clips for one
Battery's got to
vehicle?
get like zip tied over this way or something.
Do you need like 50 body clips for this one vehicle?
That'll work right there. Look, I can just bend that over.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
It's such a pretty blue on the camera.
Dun, 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 dun. It's not finished. It doesn't have any RC nut stickers. I love it. I am so happy that we got this.
And I built it. And I'm very surprised.
Gotta build
But
another one. I'm not surprised that you built it.
if I didn't get the gears right.
That's okay. I
But
can help
if
with
you
that.
gotta take apart a bazillion things to get to them.
I can't get over how cool that looks. It looks way cooler than any Traxxas or anything. See, that's where it'll shine right there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey, stop.
that mesh.
Sorry.
Yep.
You couldn't hear it getting louder and louder?
I didn't know that was just the noise it was making.
Yeah, it was the noise it was making.
Did she set her own mesh for the first time?
Don't move it, hang on.
What was it? Oh yeah, fastest run of the day.
Just need another zero behind.
Yeah.
Hey guys. Got a problem with that little 13-mile-an-hour little thing. You know, it's crunchies. And I took the thing out. The pinion didn't move.
The thing being the motor.
The motor. I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. It doesn't make any noises when I roll it. It's
But
not.
it's crunchy when you go with the motor in it. We'll figure it out.
Okay, guys, here we go again. Took it all apart, looked at the gears. Gonna see
Sneak peek.
if it actually worked.
Give it a little vroom vroom. Don't pick it up. It's fixed. I can tell already. She fixed.
Woo! Don't work on them, but still fixed it.
You work on them. You built it and you fixed it. And you can fix anything else on it.
Yeah, hopefully she'll go faster than 13 miles an hour this time.